Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. As you guys may have already guessed what we will be talking about, it's none other than Solana. What's happening with the price of Solana? What are some next price targets we should be looking at? What is the news? That's what we are going to cover in today's update. Looking at the price currently trading at $14.16. Up 1.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 2.9% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana's market cap is currently sitting at $5.1 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at $384 million. If we do look at the bigger picture, you guys can see, Solana without a doubt has taken a massive hit over the last 1 year. Since all-time highs, the prices have retraced about 94.5%, but most importantly, over the last 30 days, the prices are down about 61.4%. And you guys already know why that has happened. Obviously, we saw that FTX mania happen, and obviously SBF being part of Solana, how he was an early investor. And that really made a major impact on the price of Solana, and obviously took a lot of investors away from it. But now comes the question, is Solana going to overcome this? Is Solana going to overcome this FUD that it's facing right now, a massive hurdle that's in front of itself? Or is it going to just stop? That's what we're going to get into and talk about some price targets that we should be looking at in the immediate short term as well. Over the last 14 days, though, we're seeing something very nice with the price of Sol, up 19%, and in the last 7 days, we're up 6.3%. So that is definitely something we should note. But before I jump into the charts, I just wanted to share with you guys that obviously on this channel, nothing is financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. But today, I want to share something from a Redditor, part of the Solana community, and I really liked this person's comment, and I wanted to share this with my viewers because my take on Solana is exactly like this. So the Redditor again says 2025 Solana will be considered one of the best investments. I truly believe that next bull market Solana will outperform most layer 1s and will take the crown under Ethereum. This is a buy of a lifetime. The devs are not going anywhere. Now remember, keep this part in mind. The devs are not going anywhere. The partnerships are strong. Most metrics show a strong blockchain that's continuing to grow with great leadership. I don't know why I can't talk today, so my apologies on that. I know I'm going to receive some comments here and there, but guys, come on. Forgive me for one day. Anyways, I'll revisit this in 2025. Whoa, I really can't talk today. I don't know what is going on, but my apologies. I will revisit this in 2025 and see how far we've come. I think these prices levels will be looked upon. Like Ethereum was at $80, and I could not agree more, because now you may be saying, why Crypto ZX? Why this? Why that? Let's look at the ecosystem. Look at this ecosystem. And this is Solana's ecosystem. And this has not even been updated. The ecosystem has grown at a tremendous rate. And it's only going to get bigger and bigger as time goes by. One would think that, FTX collapse happened, Solana is just going to stop developing. Nope. Solana continues to develop, and the team, the devs, are actually working to kind of overcome this hurdle, and I think this project is going to overcome it. Let's look at Ethereum's excuse me. Let's look at Ethereum's past. Ethereum was called the scam coin. A lot of FUD it has faced over the past few years, but it has overcome it. That's exactly what I think is going to happen with Solana right now. It is facing a lot of FUD, but I do believe this project has what it takes to overcome this in the next bull cycle. Looking at the price of Solana on the 1 hour time frame, obviously on the daily time frame, you can't really see what exactly is going on. But you guys can see on the daily time frame, we saw a yearly low for the price of Solana at about $10.95 mark. And if we picked up some Solana around there, you guys are already up about 30% from there. So that might have been a sweet spot to be picking up some Solana. But now comes the question, is the price of Solana about to retest this major level of resistance at that $18.20 mark, which we have not been above since November 11th, like shortly after the FTX collapse? Or is this going to revisit back down to these levels that we have not seen, obviously, since November 22nd? That's what we're going to talk about. Remember, as of now, we are forming an upwards channel. We're facing a little bit of resistance over here that we saw just a few days ago, but this resistance goes all the way back to the early days before the massive bull cycle, which was around that March 2021 mark. So we're facing some 2021 levels of resistance. But if we break out of this $15.11 mark, I will be very, very confident that Solana is reheaded back to that $18.21 level of resistance. Now, let's remember, if the price of Solana is able to break out of this zone, things can look very, very nice, especially if we close above this level of resistance. That would be the positive thing that I would be looking at. If the price of Solana were to get above this level of resistance and actually close above here and trade sideways and continue its upwards trend towards the upside, things will start looking very nice in my personal opinion. But again, BTC should not be ignored. So let's go look at the price of BTC quickly to see what exactly is going on with BTC and where are we going in the immediate short term. So right now, this is the daily time frame, sitting at $17,000, still not in the 78.6. Again, 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level is just a zone where it's a last life support for Bitcoin. Right now, we're below the last life support for Bitcoin. But that would obviously be a positive case if the price were to re-enter the 78.6 and most importantly the 22K mark. That is going to have a massive impact on Solana's price in my personal opinion. But if we do have a fake out, then do expect that Solana will obviously retrace back and we could be reheaded below to these levels. But right now, so far, what I'm seeing is what I'm liking. And like I said, the next few days could be very important for the price of Solana, especially if it's able to get above that $15.13 mark. If it's able to do that, then I'm very, very confident that the price could revisit that $18.20 mark. But I will keep you guys covered, but I want your guys' opinion now. This is where I want my community, the viewers, people that are part of the Solana community to come and talk about Solana and tell me what your thoughts are, where you could see the price of Solana go in the next bull cycle. And talk to me. Do you think we're going to overcome this FUD, or do you think Solana is not going to overcome this FUD and it's that's it? We have basically just hit the rock bottom. There's no way around this. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Again, as always, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you guys. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.